Hello, my name is David Campbell, and today I am going to demonstrate configuring a DHCP on a multifunction device, Packet Tracer 5.3.3.3. Our objective, connect three PCs to a Linksys WRT300N with a which is a multifunction device, change the DHCP setting to a specific network range, and configure the clients to obtain an IP address via DHCP. You're probably wondering what a DHCP is. That is an acronym for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So what we're going to do, as I said, we're going to use three PCs. The first PC is going to be labeled PC0. Second PC is PC1. Third, but not least, PC2. And then we're going to have our wireless router, the 300N series. We're going to place this right here. And with this as a multifunction, what that means is it has the wireless adapters with Ethernet ports attached to it. Now we're going to use some straight through cable, which is an Ethernet cable with RJ45 connectors configured as white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown on both of the Ethernet RJ45 connectors. So we're going to go from PC as passing Ethernet, Ethernet 1. We're going to do this for all three of them. Passing Ethernet to port 2. Passing Ethernet to port 3. And we'll see if they all, as you see in that little flash right there, that all PCs are talking to the router right now. And we're going to set up an IP address for each individual one using the DHCP. So we have connected all PCs to an Ethernet port on the Linksys device. So first we'll go to setup. So we're going to go config, and we're going to change the display name. And we're going to label this as, if I can get it right here, DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol Enabled Router. So that will be set up like that. And then we're just going to select on the GUI, Graphical User Interface, which on the user, this is a graphic, and I'm interfacing with the router right now. So let us look on here. So we want to change the DHCP. So let us go to basic setup, which we already right there. And then we're going to change the IP address to 192.168.5.1, which you can see the IP address is 192.168.0. So we're going to change that to 5 to .1, and then our subNAS we're just going to leave the same. And we're going to save all this. Let me just make sure that we'll save all these settings. Now, when you're messing with the GUI, especially with a router, it's always good just to go back and make sure all the settings have been saved. Next part, we're going to scroll to the bottom. Let's go here, and let's change this startup IP address. Let's see, what do we need to save this as? From 192.68.5.100 to 192.168.5.26, and then we'll change the maximum number of users to 75. Save the settings. And we're just going to ensure this has been saved. back there. 25.26. Perfect. Okay, let us get out of here. And now let us go to PC0. And then we'll go configuration, fast Ethernet. And then we got to click this to DHCP, which we have already done right there. Now I'm going to do this for all other DHCPs so that we can get the IP addresses. Oh, I just screwed up right there. DHCP right there. And a third one. DHCP. So that we can automatically set everything up right here. Alright, now we'll go to the PC1. And then we'll go to the desktop tab. Then we're going to click the command prompt. Big, which we have 192.198.68. So let us say I just went up a little ahead of what we're supposed to do. So 1 second, let me just change this. Put that back to static. So I want to really demonstrate exactly what I'm doing right here. Desktop command prompt IP big. And if I can spell right, we got 0. As you can see with the difference right there. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to set up, and I'm going to enable the DHCP on both PC1 and PC2. Oops. Config, DHCP, there we go. I was just jumping the gun just a little bit right here. You can see right there, that all the IP addresses have been configured. So we're just going to go back to PC1, desktop, go to command prompt, and this is a CLI, which is a command line interface, which the little blinking right there is command line. So now I'm going to interface with that, and let us ping, let's say 192.168.5.1, and we have a reply. Let us ping the PC2. And I think that is PC1, PC0 that I was just pinging. You can just configure that just a second. .5.26. So that has been set up. And now let us just check our results. Congratulations on completing this activity. The results have been checked. Everything, I'm just making sure. All the IP addresses have been there. An activity test. And nothing is right there. Overall, we have completed Packet Tracer 5.3.3.3.